What's going on YouTube? FadeitLuie here, bringing guys a brand new video. We're going to be doing a high fade on my boy Lewis. First, we're going to start off by saturating the hair and then using our gold FX to create our first guideline. After we're done balding him out, we're going to use our gamma clippers to create our second guideline with the no guard all the way open. This powdery substance is called shave stick. This helps with ingrown hairs. Using our electric shaver, we're going to take out as much stubble as possible. We're going to be using the one guard all the way open to create our third guideline. Switching to our 2 guard all the way open, we're going to be debulking the sides and getting it ready for our 1.5 guard all the way open. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Using clipper over comb method, we're going to be debulking the sides. When the clipper is cutting vertically, I'm blending. When the clipper is cutting horizontally, I'm debulking. Moving to his lining, we're going to keep it as natural as possible, comb down all the hairs that I see. Moving on to the back side, we're going to continue using our shave stick and then move on to our no guard all the way closed. Using the one guard all the way open, we're going to make our third guideline and get ready to use the half guard. Again, we're going to be using our 2 guard all the way open, getting it ready for our 1.5 guard all the way open. Using our clipper over comb method, we're going to tie up the back into the sides. Like always, I wanted to detail a little bit, so I popped on the one guard and went into detailing. Moving on to the shear work, I'm going to graph a piece of hair and show him the length he wants to get cut. He wanted a little more, so we cut a little bit more off. Using our Turkish razor and our Derby premium blades, we're going to make him as crispy as possible.